welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do another hair tutorial today. It's this lovely hair that we have on right now. When were the girls doing French curls hairstyle with miracle knots? Because I haven't seen it. This is my first time ever seeing this, and I was like, you know what, I saw the vision and I was like, I have to execute the vision. So anyways, I'm gonna just do a little tutorial voiceover like I normally do and tell you guys everything that I did to install this hair. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Y'all, this video isn't even going to be that long because of how easy and simple this hairstyle is. I See Hair sent me over their Miracle Knot French curl hair in the color number 4 in 20 inches. Whoever called the shots of putting this ring in the packaging to section off the hair and keep it organized, give this person a raise. But I have to say I was a little scared because I wasn't sure if this was actually true to 20 inches. Well, to be honest, the curls look cute, so I don't even really care. This next part though is for the girls that do not want to sit down for any longer than an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours max. Listen up, take notes, get the notebook. We're only sectioning off the perimeter and we're braiding down the rest. Like we're cornrowing the rest of our head, okay? We are not doing the miracle knots all over our head because we ain't got time for that. So what I did was braid down half the braid because obviously I wanted to end the braid with the French curl so it would have a natural curl at the end of the braid. And then at the root, I just crocheted one of the pieces right there so it will give a nice fullness. You're always gonna see me start with the perimeter of my head first before I do anything else. There's also so many methods to do this. My favorite one is this one that you see me doing right now, but also just honestly don't loop and knot, okay? Anything you do, do not knot the loops on this because you will be tearing your hair out. When I say this, I am bringing both strings of hair through the loop, and that is it. And I personally have not had any problems with the hair falling out doing this. I love this method. It's very simple, very easy, and I look gorgeous. Like, guys, I scream at you every time because yes, I look good. This is what I mean by bust out middle part at home. Yes.
So happy that you made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my socials as well too. I would love to hear if you tried the style and see what it looks like, because it's tea. Anyways, see you guys on the next one. Bye.